I have been a loan officer here at Priority for almost 14 years. Some really big benefits that a lot of customers need to better understand how companies like us are structured. We're a small company. We can do a lot that big companies can't do. Not only do we have great loan officers, but all of these people who work here make up a great family and a great team and a good company to work for and work with. Priority is set up as a correspondent lender, which means we have relationships with about 20 different lenders. So we have access to their products, their interest rates, oftentimes can get a slightly better interest rate than if the customer goes directly to that bank. There's no extra cost to the customer for what we do. So there's a lot of benefits with how we're structured that a lot of people just don't know because we are a smaller company. We don't advertise, you don't see us on TV or hear us on the radio. Our business is 100% referral based. We've got some of the most amazing support staff, people that have been in the business for a long time, people have been here for a long time. We don't have a great deal of turnover. We've got amazing people in every aspect, so I know that sets us apart. This is, for most people, the biggest financial decision of your life. To me, there's no replacement for having someone who is helping to explain the whole process to you. For a customer, just having that sense of comfort of who they're working with, that their questions get answered in a way that makes them feel comfortable, I think that carries a great deal of value. Feeling comfortable with who you're working with is vital. I love dogs, so I've always volunteered and donated towards some of the local animal rescue organizations. I kind of had thought in the back of my mind for a long time that Kim Hill, our marketing director, kind of helped me bring it to life last year. So it's a program that I started called Lend for Good, where I make a donation to one of the local animal rescue organizations on behalf of every client that works with me. Very proud that in my first year, we did over $4,000 in donations. A young woman that I helped a couple of years ago, her husband was recently killed overseas. He was in the military. When she called me that first time, you could tell it was a very difficult call for her to make, and she said, "This is the first time that I'm doing this on my own," and told me about her husband and two very young little girls. I'm very proud to help first-time home buyers, but helping someone in this situation that she was very overwhelmed at something she'd never done on her own before, helping her step by step through the process to buy her home, that was extremely rewarding for me. That adds such substantial meaning to what we do. It puts a different perspective on it to realize you're helping people achieve something huge that's important to them, and that was very, very meaningful to me.